Hey, Gaston Derry here, and I just want to say thank you for pushing the social media income generator blueprint. I'm so excited to have you here and can't wait to show you how to generate free leads and sales for your business. Look, I totally understand that being a Christian entrepreneur, it can be challenging to not only find a consistent source of new leads, but also to ensure that they are flowing in on a daily basis. This is what I love so much about social media income generator blueprint, because it will show you how to set up an automated system that accomplishes exactly that. So let's get right into it, and I would like to introduce your instructor through this process. He is the go-to expert for helping business owners of all kinds generate free leads and sales by implementing the strategy and system you're about to see. So, needless to say, he understands this more than anyone out there. And now I partner up with him to bring this to your business. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce Blake Nubar to you through this process so that he can show you how it works, so that you can take advantage in the way that your competitors wish they had. So once again, I want to say thank you for joining the social media income generator blueprint, and we will see you in the next video.